Singling journey mo, and first of all, congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Kumusta naman yung experience mo?
It was fun. Tapos at natapos ko yung competition na I still look up to the creator. Thankful din ako kay CJ dahil iba yung wisdom niya eh. Kasi from last night nag-usap kami and I felt na deserve niya talaga yung nakuha niya ngayon. I'm proud of you, bro.
Alright. How would you describe in words yung naging path mo to this particular grand finals na yun?
Word or words?
Yeah, could be.
Fun. It was fun. Kasi number one yun eh, pag may ginagawa ka, you can do your best, you can do everything at sigat na bahala dun. Pero kung nag-e-enjoy ka, ibang feeling yun eh. Kasi I try to stay in the present and I did that. So, I'm just happy to do that.
How do you come up with the song choices that you have?
The song choices,
Yes.
My Way is a favorite song of my dad. And para malaman ko kung mababaril ba tayo. Kidding aside, My Way is a good song and I just want to do it my way.
And how about the final song?
The final songs, medyo challenging eh. But yun, wala tayong magagawa. Yun na yung nangyari. So, I'll live with it and be happy with the outcome.
Of course, meron kang sariling beneficiary for
Yes.
this one. How important to you was that part of the competition?
It's a lot important dahil narinig nyo kanina, sabi ng beneficiary ko is naulanan yung pets nila, at the same time kulang sila sa
Gamot.
medicine and everything. So, 250,000 is a big money para matulungan sila sa anumang kailangan nilang gawin. So, yeah, okay na yun.
Will you be talking to them after the show?
Oh, yeah, yes naman. So, I'll make time para puntahan kayo dyan. So, kita-kits sa Davao soon.
It is the start of being your singing era.
May plans ka na ba na, to sometimes release singles, music, your own music, or create your own?
Actually, I have my songs na on Spotify and other streaming platforms. But medyo kakaiba siya sa kinanta ko today. So it's more of personal written songs. So yun.
What kind of music do you do?
I do alternative, I do jazz, I do reggae also.
Oh, wow.
Depends eh. I love to do everything kung ano naman kaya. Okay lang.
May sarili ka na bang band? Or...
I have my own band.
Okay.
But trying to work on it pa na mas mabuo ng
And
maayos.
do you write your songs as well?
Yes.
Oh, alright. Mukhang magiging magical yung journey mo sa
Hopefully.
music. Yeah. Are you planning to also work on doing series or shows or any movie that's coming up? Is your management keen on your acting naman? May ganun bang usapan?
Personally, ako gusto ko na sumabak dun sa acting side. Siyempre, I can do it naman kung paghahandaan din. Pero siguro kung may opportunity, or no, kasi nakafocus ako dito at saka sa iba kong ginagawa sa bahay. So, gawin ko yan bukas.
For tonight's grand finals, paano ka nag-prepare for this performance?
More of mental preparation at saka yung pag-aalaga ng boses kasi ayaw ko naman mapao sa araw ng entablado. So, at least nabigay ko yung best ko. Masaya na ako din.
Okay, that's it po. Thank you po, John.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations.